Healthy recipe: baked sweet potato stuffed with black beans, corn, and avocado. You can see the ingredients in the description. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius, 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Wash the sweet potatoes and pat them dry with paper towels. Pierce the sweet potatoes several times with a fork and place them on a baking sheet. Bake the sweet potatoes in the preheated oven for 45–60 minutes, or until they are tender inside. Baking time may vary depending on the size of the sweet potatoes. Meanwhile, in a large bowl, mix together the drained black beans, sweet corn, diced avocado, chopped cilantro, lemon juice, ground cumin, smoked paprika, salt, and pepper. Stir well to combine all the ingredients. Una vez las patatas estén horneadas y tiernas, retirarlas del horno y cortarlas por la mitad a lo largo, sin llegar hasta el fondo. Usa un tenedor para aplastar un poco la pulpa de las patatas. Fill each sweet potato half with the black bean, corn, and avocado mixture. For more healthy recipes, follow us.